and welcome to an Aussie Christmas. This is an Aussie art collaboration with a bunch of YouTubers who are also Australian. We're in a lovely little Discord group and it's so much fun. It's really nice connecting with locals who are experimenting with YouTube and into art and into video creation as well. So a bunch of them decided to get together and do a little collaboration of Aussie Christmas animals. So make sure you go check out all the other Aussie artists in this collaboration. I'll link them below. So I've bought some pre-made Christmas ornaments, laser cut wood from Kmart, and they were pretty cheap. I think that was like $3 for a packet of 6, and I really like them. They sucked up the paint very very thirstily. I'm using Posca paint pens, as you can see, which I really love. I love the colors, I love the vibrancy, I love the opacity. One thing I don't love is how they go on wood grain. The wood of these ornaments was kind of splintery a little bit and a bit rough in places, and some of the nibs of the Poscas didn't cope well with that, particularly the finer nibs. Like some of the nibs, when it would scrape against the wood grain, would flick paint up, which could be a nice effect, but I found it a bit troublesome and I was worried that it might damage the nib as well. But overall, it was really fun to play with these on wood. They say they can paint on anything, and I believe them. I think probably next time I'd try porcelain ornaments maybe. So the color choices, I just chose colors that I was really inspired by. I love the teal and the lilacs and the vibrant yellows that you can get in Poscas, and some of the peaches. Oh, they're just gorgeous. And the patterning, I was just doing doodling really. I guess maybe I watch Mariah Elizabeth a lot, so like I'm very inspired by her use of colour. And I have an aunt who does like fan-tangling designs, she calls it, tangle doodling. So that's quite inspiring too. And I don't know, I just love patterns, and I love like repetition, especially with different colours. Like rainbows really inspire me. I didn't want to do the usual Christmas colours because I've never really liked them, and they've never really spoken to me. Red and green sort of feels oppressive to me for some reason. But yeah, so this little koala dude I struggled with quite a bit. I ended up really liking his little sweater and pant combo though in the end. So cute. I wish I had pants like that. But the kangaroo, oh, she is my pride and joy. I have no idea what to call her. A mer kangaroo, a meru, Kangamaid, Kangaroo maid, Karoo mermaid, I don't know. Tell me in the comments what she should be. As soon as I saw her tail, she just screamed mer person to me, and the little roo peeking out of her pouch just fits as well. I love watching the YouTube channel Nautilus Live, which is a robot underwater sea explorer, and they live stream their underwater scientific discoveries, and it's just so gorgeous. You see amazing sponges and corals and fish and siphonophores that I've never seen before, and beautiful octopuses. And I guess that was quite inspiring too, like all of the patterning that you see on these sea creatures that are so alien, but they're among us. They live right beneath our waves. It's like another world. I have a GoPro, so like I often do underwater filming as well, and even just a foot underneath the waves, like literally just dipping it into the water at your feet, it's just another world. The filtered light is just gorgeous, and the colors are all strange and different, and the patterning, the textures underwater, I really find inspiring, from sand and stone and shells. Just things I collect, sponges and corals. So the kangaroo just said mer creature, fish creature, aquatic, underwater. So I drew some fins and, with the echidna and the koala, I wasn't so inspired. I have been thinking about the bushfires and how they were literally almost wiped out, and echidnas aren't even, they're not that much less endangered. But I wanted to play with colour mainly. I wanted to let go and be mindful and in the moment and just breathe and let my arms do the work, do the talking, do the communication of colour just through my body. I know that sounds really airy-fairy, but have you ever felt that way? Like, have you ever coloured in a page as a child and just your body knows where the colour wants to go? It feels the page and what feels right. And if something feels wrong, your body feels it as wrong. Have you ever experienced that? I experience that all the time. And often I can't work out a way to make it feel right. And that's when I decide it's an ugly piece. But in a way, that's part of the art form. The art is valuable as an experience. And I hope you've enjoyed this experience of watching me colour in these creatures. I had so much fun. I really love the results. And I could honestly see myself hanging these on a Christmas whatever every year for the rest of my life. So don't forget to check out the other YouTubers if they got their uploads up on time. There was some doubt of that as I was editing this. If they did, I'll link them below, and please go check them out as well. This has been a really fun collab. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you'd like to watch more, click on the video to the right. If you'd like to help me make more videos, click on the left to donate $1 to my Patreon account. And click on the circle in the middle to subscribe. Bye, sweethearts!